new word lurks in your dictionary?
Adee-do.
Plumbing and heating problems. Who'll fix it like new?
Adee-do.
Clogged sewers and drains. Who cleans it through and through?
Adee-do.
Emergency service, easy credit. Who has it just for you?
Adee-do.
Call number 1. You know who.
Adee has a nice, clean sound.
We're in the white pages.
Do it yourself. Do it for less. Do it yourself. Do it yourself. Do it for less.
If you need to get things growing or fix up a few things around the house, it's easy to do it yourself with Home Club's help. Everyone saves at Home Club, but members save even more.
American Standard, in the permanent collection of the Museum of Modern Art. It is beautiful, but its beauty is a function of its flawless engineering, which, after all, is any bathroom's most important attribute. American Standard, a higher standard.
Don't forget this.
Bye-bye. See you Saturday.
Bye.
Can you start today?
If you've ever dreamed of a kitchen as beautiful as a Merillat kitchen with solid oak frames, whisper glide drawers, and a furniture quality finish, remember,
I miss you.
Honey, you should see what your son did to the kitchen.
dreams do come true.
Wow! The new kitchen. I hope.
You did want the oak, right?
Yes.
Merillat, America's cabinet maker.
Finding something at a home improvement warehouse can be a real adventure.
I think I found the wood screws, honey.
National Lumber, check it out.
But at National Lumber, it's easy to find 23,000 items with down-to-earth prices.
Get planting in Rubbermaid's full-depth high-gloss pots as low as $179. And buy Gardenia's Quick Connect starter set with gun, nozzle, and hookups, $499, number 6950.
So get a lift over to
National Lumber, check it out.
Throughout the West, no one carpets more homes in more places than Carpeteria. And right now, during our 29th anniversary sale, you'll find spectacular store-wide savings, like 3 styles of worry-free carpet in 66 colors, only $8.99 a square yard. Worry-free carpet features the latest in fashion and superb stain resistance. So come to Carpeteria's 29th anniversary sale. With the biggest selection and best prices, no one covers the West like Carpeteria.